I'm Erin and I'll show you how to care for and maintain your peace lily. If you're looking for an indoor plant that looks great, improves air quality and is easy to keep alive, a peace lily is for you. A potted peace lily will thrive in low light, so you can find a spot for it anywhere in the house. To care for a peace lily, you will need liquid fertilizer, leaf shine and a watering can. This peace lily is really healthy. It's got lots of lush foliage, new growth, and the leaves aren't drooping. When potting a peace lily, only use premium potting mix suitable for indoor plants. The leaves on this peace lily are quite droopy. The soil is dry, which means it needs a good water. Once the leaves start to droop, you know it's time to water. Use your finger to check the moisture level of the potting mix before watering. If the surface is moist, then it's okay. If it's dry for the first centimetre or two, give it some water. One way to hydrate your plant is by soaking it in a bucket of water overnight. You'll know that it's healthy when the leaves start to spring back up. If it's not completely dehydrated, you can just give it a generous water with a watering can. If your leaves are turning yellow or to promote new growth, add a cap of this into your watering can. The leaves are a bit dull, so I'm going to give them a bit of a shine using this leaf shine spray. The leaf shine is great because it doesn't impact the plant at all. It just creates a good shine and helps protect the leaves. Feed occasionally with a slow release fertilizer or more often with a liquid one. This will encourage healthy growth and a burst of white flowers in spring. If your peace lily is getting too much sun, the leaves will turn yellow-brown, so be sure to move it to a darker position in the room. Overwatering peace lilies will cause the roots to rot. You need a pot that has adequate drainage so that the water doesn't pool in the bottom. Repot your peace lily every 12 to 18 months. Peace lilies are like the drama queens of the plant world. If there's anything wrong, they'll definitely let you know about it. To keep your peace lily happy, watch how much you water it and it will thrive for years to come.